running in the park. He is running in the park. She is sitting on the bench. She is sitting on the bench. They are standing near the gate. They are standing near the gate. We are jumping for joy. We are jumping for joy. The dog is wagging its tail. The dog is wagging its tail.
I am cleaning the table. I am cleaning the table.
He is opening the window. He is opening the window. They are watching television. They are watching television. My brother is sleeping in his room. My brother is sleeping in his room. I am drinking juice. I am drinking juice. He is cooking pasta. He is cooking pasta. She is eating a sandwich. She is eating a sandwich. I am cutting the bread. I am cutting the bread. He is making coffee. He is making coffee. Water is heating up. The water is heating up. She is reading a newspaper. She is reading a newspaper. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. My mother is cooking dinner. My mother is cooking dinner. They are talking to the teacher. They are talking to the teacher. The student is using a computer. The student is using a computer. My father is wearing shoes. My father is wearing shoes. My grandmother is wearing glasses. My grandmother is wearing glasses. I am wearing a jacket. I am wearing a jacket. The children are playing outside. The children are playing outside. He is riding his bike. He is riding his bike. I am waiting for the taxi. I am waiting for the taxi. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. My grandfather is fixing the light. My grandfather is fixing the light. Someone is knocking at the door. Someone is knocking at the door. I am laughing loudly. I am laughing loudly. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.